I will talk about how can you select text color on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you just keep going down, you come here to text color here. So then you click on color here, and here can you select color in this list here, or choose text color in this list. When you're done, click here on OK. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.